Our Family Man Srikanth is back. The trailer of the season 2 of Family Man is out now and it can be divided into two parts. Number 1 where we get to know about the new job and lifestyle of Srikanth with his family, and number second part which is related to terrorism. So hey everyone, my opinion here, let's review and analyze the trailer of Family Man season 2. Now the first season of this show was not released with a huge hype, but as people started to watch the series, the good word of mouth spread, eventually making this show one of the best shows in India. Manoj Bajpayee with his effortless acting made us binge watch this show. Personally, at start, I was not interested in watching the show, but when I started to watch the first episode of this show, I was not able to leave it. I completed this show within 2 days, and at the end of the show, we were left with a cliffhanger. What is going to happen after it, we are going to see in the second season. So the trailer of second season starts and we get to see Srikanth and his wife Sucheta sitting together in a counselor room, maybe because they are facing problems in their marriage life. And after this, we are introduced to the new job of Srikanth, and it looks like this time he is working in a private company. What happened to his old job, we don't know. Srikanth looks bored with his new job and how the things are not good with his family. He's not having fun which he used to have when he used to go for those undercover missions. But the pace of the trailer completely changes after a call from JK. Srikanth asks JK to meet him, to which JK replies he can't meet him as he is busy with a hostage mission in Chennai, and it makes Srikanth all excited again.
फोमो हो गया है.
Do you also think that Srikanth is having FOMO?
फोमो लो लो रोफ लो और मिलने लो.
Now we enter into interesting part of the trailer where we are introduced to the new characters, and one among them being Samantha. Now most of you already know her but might not be able to recognize her. She is one of the top actresses from Telugu film industry, and in recent times she has started to create her own path with her dedication and will. This will be her first pan-India debut, and mind that it is a very bold and brave decision from her side to take a role like that. From the trailer, it looks like she is playing a role of rebel, which I think is referred to Naxalites. There is some coalition going on between ISI and the rebels, and after this, I think Srikanth gets back to his old form and tries to stop the terror with his own style. So this was the little analysis of the trailer. Now let's talk about the things that I liked and didn't like in the trailer. Liked Manoj Bajpayee. Throughout the trailer, we get to see the effortless acting of Manoj Bajpayee. He speaks more with his body language and actions more than his words. His comic timing is to the point and hilarious. The scene between him and his wife while they are sitting in a restaurant and his wife tells him that all marriages are sham, to which he takes out his phone to search the term sham. It is hilarious and totally relatable. Samantha. Samantha looks fierce in the trailer. She has given power packed performance in the limited time she had, and the action performed by her in the trailer looks real and catchy to watch. Action. Now the trailer consists of only some action sequences, but this hints us what we are up to. The hand-to-hand combat looks really cool, and it looks more cool with the sync of the BGM. Dislike. The only thing that I didn't like was I wanted to see JK more. Hope he gets good amount of screen time in the show. This duo of JK and Srikanth is treat to watch, so really looking forward to it. All in all, this show will help us to ease a little bit in these tough situations. This show will surely bring smile in the faces of peoples. You can watch this show on Amazon Prime on June 4 onwards. Be safe, be happy. Yours truly, my opinion.